हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज का चैप्टर है 50 ट्रेडिशनल स्पोर्ट्स। इसमें आपके कुछ ट्रेडिशनल स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशंस गिवन हैं, उनकी हेल्प से हमें स्पोर्ट्स के नेम बताना है। तो सबसे पहला, इट इज़ द इंडिजीनियस स्पोर्ट ऑफ मेघालय। द स्पोर्ट हैज़ गेन ह्यूज पॉपुलरिटी एंड द कंट्री पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस स्पोर्ट एट मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट मीट्स इंक्लूडिंग द ओलंपिक। इट्स कॉल्ड द आर्चरी। नेक्स्ट है आपका कॉन्सेप्चुअली सिमिलर टू द क्रिकेट और बास्केटबॉल। इट इज प्लेड विथ टू वुडन स्टिक, इट्स कॉल्ड द गिल्ली डंडा। नेक्स्ट है दिस नंबर गेम इज प्लेड मोस्टली बाय तमिल वुमेन बोथ इन इंडिया एंड श्रीलंका। नेक्स्ट कॉल्ड द पालन कुट्टी। फोर्थ है द फेमस स्नेक बोट रेस दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइज ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल ऑफ ओनम इन केरला। It's called the Vellam Kali. Next है, it is an outdoor game played only by men in Manipur using a coconut similar to the rugby. It's called the Yobi Lakshmi. Sixth है, it is an indigenous Manipur game played on the day between Manipur New Year's Day and the Rath Jatra festival, the King Samba. 7. It is basically the game of polo. What is its Manipur name? Is Sagul Kanchai. Next है, next chapter है 51। करेक्ट ऑप्शंस फाइंड करने हैं। फर्स्ट है चतुरंगा द एंशियंट इंडियन गेम गेव बर्थ टू विच मॉडर्न गेम ऑब्वियसली चेस। नेक्स्ट है बैडमिंटन वॉज फर्स्ट इवॉल्व एंड कन्फाइंड इन विच इंडियन सिटी, इट्स कॉल्ड द पुणे। नेक्स्ट है विच इंटरनेशनल इंडोर गेम्स वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय ब्रिटिश कॉलोनल इन 1875 एट जबलपुर, इट्स कॉल्ड द स्नूकर। Next, a Buddhist monk is supposed to have introduced the martial art of Kalaripattu from the Kerala to China and Japan. How is known in Japan now is karate. Next, a popular Indian sport today was known as Rashtriya because it was originally played on the Rath. What is the name of the sport? It's a Kho-Kho. Next, traditional game of Indian state of Mizoram which closely resemble combat wrestling. What is the name of this sport? So polo. Which Indian ruler game is also the part of the Asian game? It's a kabaddi. So basically this is the chapter 51 Indian games completed. Move to next chapter. Next है chapter 52 Indian musician. First है who along the Shyama Sastri and Muthuswami was regards as the trinity of Carnatic music. It's called Tyagaraja. Second musician, she was given the title of Mallikai Ghazal. She was a well-known singer of Ghazal, Dadra and Thumri genre. Basically Begum Akhtar. Next है he belonged to the Mewati Gharana. His biggest contribution to Indian music is its concept of novel form of Jugalbandi. This has been so highly acclaimed that experts of music in Pune have named it Jasra Jugalbandi. The name is called Pandit Jasraj. Next है she is one of Indian well-known classical vocalist. She learned the art of khayal singing from her mother, Mugbai, who in turn was a disciple of Indian greatest master Ustad Aldia Khan. The name is Kishori Amonkar. Next है she was the first Carnatic vocalist to receive the Bharat Ratna, Subbalakshmi. Next है he was born on 4 February 1922 in the Gadag district of present day of Karnataka. He is known for the Khayal form of the singing. He was also acclaimed for his Hindi bhajan. It's called the Bhim Sen Joshi. Next chapter 53, the biopic. Which film features Sonam Kapoor is based on hijacking of Pan Am Flight 73. The name is that movie Nirja. Next है which film directed by Rajkumar Santoshi star Ajay Devgan in the role of Bhagat Singh. The name that movie Legend of Bhagat Singh. Next है which film is based on the life of an Indian man who spent 22 years in prison in Pakistan for alleged terrorism. It's called the movie that Sabrjeet, who played the role of Vallabhbhai Patel in 1993 film Sardar, is called the Paresh Rawal. Next है who played the role of MS Dhoni in 2016 film MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. The name is Sushant Singh. चैप्टर 54 इंडियन आर्टिस्ट. बेसिकली ये इंडियन आर्टिस्ट हैं, इनके हमें नेम बताने हैं. तो फर्स्ट है ही इज एन इंटरनेशनली रिनोड वर्ल्ड क्लास फ्लूइस्ट फ्रॉम द इंडिया. तो ऑब्वियसली वन इज फॉर देम हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया. नेक्स्ट है ही वॉज ए फेमस इंडियन पेंटर. It's a filmmaker celebration. His most noted painting was sold 15 million at the auction of 2002. Highest price for an Indian painting at international auction. देखो तैयब मेहता. She is known as Queen of Melody. She was recorded song in over 1000 Hindi films. The name as Lata Mangeshkar. Next है he is popularly known as Indian sitar maestro. He was the first Indian to compose music for foreign film. He also served the Indian music director for All India Radio. That's called the Pandit Ravi Shankar. Next है his real name was Abhas Kumar Ganguly. He was one of the most popular playback singer, actor, producer and director. It's called the Kishore Kumar. Next है chapter 55. Art and craft. First है which embroidery consists of 32 stitch of including muri, turpai and bakhia. That's called the chicken curry. Second, which Indian art use an alloy of zinc and copper in the ratio of 16:1. That's called the Bidri ware. Third है Patola, Chanderi and Kanjipuram are variety of which Indian garments. It's called the sari. With which state are the Kondapallai toy generally associated with? Andhra Pradesh. In which craft from the part of the cloth tied tightly with wax threads before the whole cloth is dipped in the dye vat. Bandhani. 6 है which state is famous for the craft made for the brass and bell metals. It's called the Assam. Next है halwa, pitha and bardaya are the type of which bamboo craft in Assam. Jappi. Which city is famous for the blue poetry? The Jaipur. नेक्स्ट है 56 चैप्टर फेस्टिवल एंड द फेयर. तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है. तो फर्स्ट इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ सॉल फ्लावर सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द ट्राइबल पीपल ऑफ झारखंड इन Kasahul. सेकेंड है कैमल रेस इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एट ऑब्वियसली पुष्कर फेयर इन राजस्थान. खिचड़ी अमावस्या सेलिब्रेटेड एट इन विच द यक्ष आर इन्वाइटेड एंड ऑफर्ड खिचड़ी. इसको जम्मू कश्मीर में होता है आपके. नेक्स्ट है इट्स द बिगेस्ट इवेंट ऑफ द ईयर ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. इट्स कॉल्ड द पोंगल. फेस्टिवल इज कंसिडर्ड द मोस्ट important festival of Ladakh region. It's called the Loser. Next is 6 is the greatest of Indian typical religious fair, the Kumbh Mela. Blue card race is organized at Tenali in Andhra Pradesh. It is a part of the celebration of Pongal festival. ये पोंगल फेस्टिवल का एक पार्ट है. Buffalo fight are major attraction of harvest of festival of Assam is called the Maha Bihu. Next is the most colorful festival of Catholic of Goa is called the Goa Carnival. Last is the harvest festival of Odisha. That's called the Nokai. It's a complete chapter, chapter 56. ओके, आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हुआ होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर.